Hello, my name is Rahul Kartode. My video topic is super keyword and this keyword. Super keyword is generally used for to refer the elements or variables of the parent classes, and this keyword is used to refer the immediate uh, the current class methods and variable. So first example of super keyword, we can access the parent class variables by using super keyword. For example, we create the class which has the name test, and in the class test we write some global variables like int num is equal to 10, and again we completed that class and we extended that class by another class, that is class B extends class. Then in the class B we create another variable, that is int a is equal to 20, and we also write to one method, that is void print. In the void print method we write some statements like system.out println, and we have to print the current class variable, that is a current class variable, that is a, and also we have to call the parent class variable. Then we can write system.out println super dot, in the bracket we write a, that, and when we create the another third class, in that we write the main method of the class test B, and when we call the when we create the method, when we create the object of second class, and the reference variable is obj dot print method, then the output is 20 and 10. 20 is from the extended class, that is class B, and 10 is from the parent class. That means when we have to get the any element from the parent class or child class, then we can easily get it by using the super keyword. When we have to take the extended class, then we do not have need to write anything, just we have to create the object of that and call that method or variable. But when we have to access the variable or method of the parent class, then we have to write the super keyword, super dot, and then the variable name. Then it can easily access the variables of the super or parent class. Again, second is the this keyword. This keyword is also same as the super. The difference is only that the super keyword is used to access the parent class, and this keyword is used to access the current class methods and variables. By using this keyword we can access the current class constructor, methods and variables. For example, we create the class test, and in that we write the variable, that is int a is equal to 10, and also we create the another method, that is print method, and in the print method we write the int b is equal to 20, and we print out the sysout, print out the variable, that is b. Then the output of b is 20. But when we have to call or access the global variable which has also the same name, or which is which is in the print method, then we have to use the name keyword, that is this. That means this keyword access the current class variables, methods and constructors. That's all about super and this keyword. Thank you.